How to use Twitter to generate traffic. Twitter is a great platform that you can use to generate more traffic to your blog and increase exposure. Use short, provocative tweets. Rather than just sharing a link to your blog, you can use short tweets that invoke interest for your blog articles. Use intriguing quotes and statistics from your blog post. This will help to pique the interest of Twitter users and get them to click on the link. Include images. Images are a great way to capture attention on Twitter, and including them in your tweets can help you generate more traffic to your blog. Use hashtags creatively. Including hashtags in your tweets can help you reach a wider audience. Tweets with hashtags get double the engagement of those without. Do some research and find popular hashtags that will generate more followers, clicks, and engagement. Hashtags can be relevant either to your brand or to the specific tweet you want to post. Add URLs onto your profile. You can also make it easy for people to find your website by adding a link to your blog on your profile. You can link to your main homepage or link to a specific blog post. This will help people easily find your blog and read your latest articles. Create a call to action on your tweets. Ask people to share, download, click, like, tweet your latest blog post, etc. For people to take action, you must be clear on what you want them to do. Start by sharing your content, then provide clear information on what they should do. Promoting your tweets. Putting a budget to your Twitter strategy can help you get more traffic to your website. You can use Twitter ads to promote your tweets to a wider audience. This is a paid service that allows you to specifically target people who are most likely to be interested in what you have to say. Twitter is one of the best social media sites for promoting your blog. You can use it to generate traffic by using hashtags, trending topics, adding links onto your profile, pinning tweets, tweeting regularly, asking for retweets, and creating a call to action on your tweets. That just about wraps things up. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.